Shalom everybody, and today just choreo for my Friday group. So let's start. So we have 3 accents. First of all, first group 1 dan dan boom, dan 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 back, bam 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 boom. Now the whole choreo. On the right left, we start on the right, left, right, left. So from the back it seems like right, left, right, left. And then it doesn't look like a bicycle, you put your knee to the middle. So it means to the middle, to the middle, to the middle, to the middle. Our arms, it's just a shake it around and make a one shaky circle. Together, it's like 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You close it, you go to the right, left, you boom, open it. And you open it automatically with your arms, boom, to the hips, your hands to the hips. So it's like you close it, boom, 8, 2 times, boom, boom, and go, and. So, together you go to the right side, you just open it and you do 8, boom, and go, left, right, left, and left. Exactly. Most of the time it's a classical 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you can practice at home. You just spin 8. So you go boom to the side, boom to the side, boom to the side, and on the floor it looks like 1, 8. So you do a classical 8 with a little bit reverse. So it's like right, left, right, and right, left, right, left, and left. So, all together, pause, tun tun tun, pause, tun tun tun, pause, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we go on the right leg, and we do it front, left, right, left, we go to the front. What does our shoulders? We pull it half circle, full circle, half circle, full circle. Together, if we are looking at from the side, you go, you pull it, you open, you pull it, you open, you pull it, you open, pull it, you open. Together it look like 1, 2, 3, 4. And to finish this easy part, you do a little steps, and your fingers saying, not today, not at all. So that's our point. So, how it looks all together? Now, no, no, close. Really, really side. So all together. Bam, 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 boom. First group, bam, 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 boom. Second group, bam, 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 boom. Third group, and we start on the right leg. 1 ta 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 boom, ta 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 boom, ta 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 boom, and 8 with the hips and with hips we go front, front, and no, not today. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We put our boom dino arms to the side, and we do leg to the front, leg to the back, front, back, pas de bourrée. Close on the day. Together. Close, open, close, and close. Leg, 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 leg. Open, close, open, close. Hey, hey, bam, and last position on the 1. Go in plie. From this plie you go on the straight leg and close. Straight legs and close. Straight and close. Straight legs and close. So you think about that's your supported leg. Doesn't move at all. This is your basic. From here you just pull from plie to the straight position to the front with both legs straight. So it's like boom, and then you pull it. 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 First and second, start. Right, left, hips, and to side, bump, and to side, shoulder, shoulder, top, two, leg, stay, close, out, close, and close, leg, whatever. Hey, pause. One more time with the back. And now transition between the first part and the second part. So we finish in the position like boom, right? Da 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 boom, second, and then we have two accents. So it's ba 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 boom position, and automatically another one. So it's like boom, pa pam, two, boom, slide, pam, pa 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 pa. Third position doesn't matter. Which end we close it. This is the transition between the first part to the second one. One more time. Position with the back. Da 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 boom, position, da 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 boom, slide, boom, pa 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 boom, position, right, left, da 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 da. Exactly. And we go to the line. We all together come to the line. The last person in the line, don't forget, you open it and you close your arm on the hip. So it's like pam, 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 boom. Pam, don't forget. Or if you're the left side, pam, 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 boom. Don't forget to close your arm. Second part, let's go. So, bam, 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 bam. We're all in the line and we go with our left leg, step and kick. And we do like kick, 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 open, long, close it to the middle, open, long, close it to the middle, pas de bourrée, touch, pas de bourrée, touch, open with the hips, open, 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 we go hard through the floor, warm to the front, and then front, back, and shake it and shake it and shake it. One more time. Pam 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 pam. We will kick, 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 kick. We are pulling up everything. Close it to the middle. Pulling up. Close it to the middle. Pas de bourrée. Touch. Pas de bourrée. Touch. S. S to the left. To the right. To the left. Through the half circle. Through the half circle, to the front, to the back, and shake it, and shake it, and shake it, and shake it. So second part with the music. And we are coming for the accents. Nothing. we are all spreading out and start the solos. First solo, turn. Sebastian, I think it's your part. Boom, pa pam, pa pam, pa pam. You're already standing a little bit overcrossed. So with the back, it's gonna be you're standing on the right leg apparently. Left leg is there, and you really think about like boom, close it in. That's the point. So it's like pam, pa pam, pam pam, pa 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 pa, and then you just turn, 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 stay. Importance is if it's one turn, two turn, doesn't matter. You just bam. Super strict, bam, just go out of the turn. That's gonna seem cool. Not start this walking around. That's important. Like boom, 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 bam. Now, second, we need to see who and how jump. All different kind of jumps, like boom, boom, thief or something like that. Doesn't matter. That we will decide. This is the second accent. So it's like da 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 boom, da 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 boom. The third one, this is the coolest one, just super easy wave. Standing there and start the wave like boom, pam, boom, pam, and again we just release and all together coming to the group to preparing ourselves for the last part. So ba 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 boom, ba 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 boom, whatever it is, ba 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 boom. Third time, and then the last 5, 6, 7, 8. We just easily coming all together. Preparation for the third part. 5, 6, 7 coming all together, and we are going in plie. And just walking super straight like a soldier, like a weird soldier, like bam, 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 like all the time, like staying on the same level, nothing bounce. And we think about our hands. This is our lovely, I wanna dance with my hands, exactly that part. So, we just spin with our hands the half circle and the half circle. And it should be a little bit exaggerated, so it's not like that, it's like boom, boom, really with the hands are by. So, let's check it out. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the left, our head. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, head. Exactly 1, 2, and we're coming back on the third. So it's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole block together. To the front exactly, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the back. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the moment when we turn head, our solo exactly does like 8, 1, 2, and bam, come back to all the group. The last part, a little bit complicated from all the choreo. From here, we go when we finished 8. We go on the right, left, right, touch, left, right, left, touch. One more time. So from here, pan da da dan da da dan da da dan, and we go right, right, touch, left, right, left, touch. Problem with that it's 16 it's like tan 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 tan. So don't sleep at that point, and it looks like pam ta da pam ta da boom ta da pam 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 touch pam 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 touch. You take it, pull it, you're all the time in diagonal. So this is my diagonal, not here, so here. From here we take a shoulder, and the shoulder pulled our knee to the back like boom. And then another shoulder, another knee, boom. So you're like a little bit like machine, tan, ta, da, boom, pa, pa, boom. So, but now here a little bit cooler and in diagonal. So you like, with your shoulder, you pull your knee, you pull it back. You pull your knee, you pull it back, exactly. Then you do kick, change. And here it's important to really change diagonal. So you do kick, and you change diagonal, and then you do your heel. Heel, just show it. So it's gonna be together like pull, back, pull, back, kick and change, heel, heel. And just to finish it, we are all along going through the leg and last accent SS. Right, left, right, touch, left, right, left, touch, pull, back, kick and change, heel. Heel, we go through the leg and S. Turn, jump, it's the second transition. Wave. All together in the group and one. Exactly. That's the tutorial for this choreo. Keep training, guys, and soon we will film it.